I'm starting with Nude Illusion Concealer to cover under eyes and any other blemishes before foundation. I'm using Rose 4-in-1 foundation, an amazing coverage without any weight, flawless application, and super easy, of course, with your airbrush. Adding matte bronzer for a little bit of warmth around the face and the cheeks. And Tulip Blush, my favorite. All right, let's get this eye look. So we're going to use our 2-in-1 brow pencil first and then finish it with the gel. A one shadow look is super easy, but remember it's all about the blending. So make sure you don't have any harsh lines and blend up towards the brow. Liquid liner is super easy, especially if you're using the Persuasion liner, and we're using the Coco color. And then of course lashes all day. We're making this look a little fun with our Paradise Forever Rain lip stain, amazing all day 18-hour wear. And we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of Unicorn lip finisher. That's it. I hope you love this look.